Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to set up the Node.js PATH environment variable in Windows 11 step by step. This is important so Node.js works correctly from the command prompt. So let's jump right in. First, make sure Node.js is already installed on your computer. To check this, open command prompt, type node-v and press enter. If you see a version number, Node.js is installed. If Node.js is not installed, go to the official Node.js website, download the installer, and follow the on-screen installation instructions. Once that's done, continue with the next steps. Now, let's set up the path variable. Open File Explorer and go to Local Disk C. Next, open Program Files. Inside Program Files, look for the Node.js folder and double-click it to open. Once you're inside the Node.js folder, click on the address bar at the top and copy the full path. Now go to the Windows search bar and type Edit the System Environment Variables. Open it from the search results. A new window will appear. Click on Environment Variables at the bottom. Under System Variables, find Path and double-click on it. In the new window, click the New button. Now paste the Node.js path you copied earlier and click OK. Click OK again to close all windows. To confirm everything worked, reopen command prompt and type node-v again. If the version appears, the path is set correctly. And that's it. That's how you set up the Node.js path environment variable in Windows 11. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.